Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Gold with your daily analysis for gold done after the New York session for Wednesday 18th of September has closed. I'm recording this video 20 past 8, almost in the evening New York time. I have two wave counts for you today. Movement above 1324.09 invalidated the main wave count for yesterday and confirmed the alternate, which saw upwards movement as a fourth wave correction. So this is now my main wave count. At this stage, it's possible that primary wave 4 is over, relatively brief in comparison to primary 2, but providing nice alternation. Primary 2 was a deep flat correction, and this fourth wave here is a shallow zigzag. So far to the downside, we have 1, 2, 3, and if this is a new downwards trend, the upwards movement is a fourth wave correction at minor degree, which is probably just complete. There's almost no room left for upwards movement. It can't move into minor wave 1 price territory. Movement above 1374.17 would invalidate this main wave count and confirm the alternate. At this stage, the target remains the same at 1046. Primary wave 5 would reach equality in length with primary 1. Let's have a look at what happened yesterday on the hourly chart, with the end of minor wave 3 down here. Just before we go there, draw this channel around this downwards movement from 2 to 4, place a copy on the end of 3. Let's have a look at this on the hourly chart. This is the end of minor wave 3. So far to the upside we have A, B, and once this wave count was confirmed, I'd expect price upwards movement to end about 1338.16. That's not where it ended. It kept going higher, and it's now just a little above the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio for minor wave 3. The depth of this correction and the brevity, but mostly the depth of this correction for this possible fourth wave, makes me consider the alternate wave count, which I'll go to next, has about an even probability. There isn't great alternation here between minor waves 4 and 2. However, if this is upwards movement for a fourth wave, so far it's subdivided to a zigzag with an A, B and a C complete, showing all its subdivisions very nicely. This fits very well. If this is correct, then at 1243 minor wave 5 would reach equality in length, with minor wave 3. And this main wave count will be confirmed with movement below 1307.88. I'd expect downwards movement to find support at the lower edge of this blue channel I've copied over from the daily chart. Let's have a look at the alternate on the daily chart. Up to now I've been expecting that if primary wave 4 was continuing further, it would most likely be a flat correction because that's more common than multiples. However, a flat requires the B wave, which so far we have a 3-wave structure down. It requires the B wave to be 90% the length of what would be the A wave. This has fallen well short of 90% the length of this upwards movement, so it can't be a flat. We have a zigzag complete up here, and now we have an ABC 3-wave structure complete down here. This alternate will be confirmed if we see movement above 1374.14. At that stage, I'd expect that primary wave 4 is not over and it's continuing as a double zigzag. It could also be a double combination, which means the second structure, labelled intermediate wave Y, could be one of 3 structures. It could be a zigzag, a flat, or a triangle. It's most likely to be a zigzag. So that means we'd be expecting quite a bit more upwards movement, maybe for primary wave 4 to end about the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio, and maybe to take another 10 weeks overall of choppy overlapping upwards movement to 1529.97 or a bit above, so that the whole thing in its entirety lasts a Fibonacci 21 weeks. Let's have a look at the structure on the hourly chart, where the start of it here is this point here. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe unfolding as an expanded flat. I'd expect a little bit more downwards movement here to about the 0.236 Fibonacci ratio at 1350.53, so that 4 shows alternation with 2, which was very deep, in a zigzag. When this little fourth wave correction is done, and it should be over quite quickly within a few hours, I'd expect for this wave count more upwards movement and as soon as we see movement above 1374.14, this alternate would be confirmed and the main wave count would be invalid. Minute wave 4 may not move into minute wave 1 price territory. Movement below 1307.88 would invalidate this alternate and confirm the main wave count. I had an alternate yesterday which expected upwards movement. The main wave count expected more downwards movement. That's not what we got. It moved higher, confirming the alternate. It moved higher than I expected, though. That upwards movement looks very suspiciously like a very strong third wave, which fits today's alternate. I judged the alternate and the main wave count today to have about an even probability, and the point of differentiation is very close by. We should have clarity if the alternate's correct very quickly. That's all for me today with your gold analysis, and I hope that everybody is having a fabulous day.